Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful shawl. It's so easy to make and soft. I haven't finished yet. I just made a sample to show you. For this one I used this yarn. It's I think a category 1 yarn. And I use 4.5 millimeter hook with it, but this time I'm gonna show you with a different yarn. I could use a 5 millimeter hook. It's not important, okay? I just want to make it clear because it's hard to see this yarn. I think that's a very easy beginner project, and it looks also a little bit complicated, so I hope you like it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider this. You can find the link below, and if you are ready, we can start now. Start with a slip knot. And make 4 chains. Insert from the first one, grab the yarn, pull through, and that's our ring. Okay. You need to watch this first 3 rows, I think, carefully. It could be a little bit confusing if you're a starter. So if you watch carefully, if you make this first 3 rows without any problems, then you can make the rest very easily. Chain 5. Now we are gonna make a double crochet, but we will not make it into the ring. Yarn over, insert into this first chain of this 5 chain. Okay, insert here, grab the yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We have 5 chains, then a double crochet into this first chain, and for the last thing we are gonna insert into the ring, grab the yarn, make a slip stitch, and that's the end of the first row. That's our first row. Okay, if we call this one as a set, kind of set, we made 1 right now. For the next row we are going to make 2, for the next row we are going to make 3, and it will be a triangle with this way. Now chain 5. And turn. Yarn over, insert into this first chain, and make a double crochet here. We made our 5 chain and double crochet. Now we need to make a slip stitch. We are gonna make it into here, this 5 chains from the previous row. Okay, insert, grab the yarn, make a slip stitch. So we made the first one. For the next, we will not start with 5 chains. We will only start with 5 chains in the beginnings. Okay, so that's a kind of increase for us. We're gonna make 5 chains, then make this double crochet into the first chain. For the rest, we're gonna start with 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, and we are gonna make our double crochet into these chain spaces. Okay, insert and put a double crochet here, and for the last one we will not make a slip stitch. I made 4 chains, and into this space I made a double crochet, chain 5, and turn. That's our third row. Yarn over, insert into this first chain, make a double crochet. Now that's our first space here, chain space. Insert here, make a slip stitch, chain 4 into the same place, make a double crochet. Now we will not make our slip stitch here. We're gonna skip to the next one. Okay, make a slip stitch. We made 1, 2, chain 4, and into here put a double crochet. Since this one is the last one, we will not make a slip stitch. Chain 5, turn into this first chain, put a double crochet, and into this chain space put a slip stitch, chain 4, into this space put a double crochet, into the next space put a slip stitch, chain 4, put a double crochet here, into this next space make a slip stitch, then chain 4, that's the last one. I will only make a double crochet here, chain 5, turn into this first chain, make a double crochet, into this first space make a slip stitch, and join these two here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 chains and a double crochet into same place, and into this next make a slip stitch, 3, 4, a double, into this next put a slip stitch, into same space make a double crochet, and into the next put a slip stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, and one more double crochet. And it's easy. As you can see, you're gonna repeat this as long as you want, and when you complete it you can leave it with this way too. It looks beautiful, but if you want to make a solid finish you can use this way. Chain 3, insert into this first space, make a single crochet, chain 3, insert into this next space, make a single crochet, chain 3, make a single crochet, a single, one more single. You can complete it with this way, and I will not make anything at all. That's all, okay? I will not make a border, so it looks beautiful with this way too. If you want, you can put some fringe here. I always forgot the name of it. I think you understand me. And sorry for my voice. And that's it. Hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address. It's also my website, Etsy, Ravelry, Pinterest, Facebook. You can find me anywhere you want. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.